Hello everyone, thanks for clicking. I'm official Keem Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So guys, you guys click this video because of the comparison, because of the thumbnail. Okay, so guys, here what? These two artists are from Israel. Okay, and they both perform the same song, which is Mon Amour. The first one, which is Woman, she has performed this, I think, back in 2025 when she was participating in the Eurovision contest. And we have a upcoming person who is going to participate in the Eurovision contest of 2026, which is Noam Bettan. So he performed this song before, but definitely not in the Eurovision contest because it's not yet happened. But we're going to react to these two artists. So we're going to compare. I'm going to leave my thoughts after the first artist came by, then the list goes on. So it's up to you guys to leave your thoughts in the comments of what you guys think about these both artists who have performed the same song, the woman versus the man, and they are from the same country. And guys, note briefly, I'm here just to represent Israel, and trust me, these people in Israel are very beautiful in singing, very talented. So this is why I'm comparing. Alright, I've discovered one, I discovered two. So these two that I've discovered, I'm going to compare them together because I haven't seen no one make any comparison. Because some will say it's unfair, but no, we have to compare because we won't know who is better than the other. Okay, my people, so as a Jamaican, I'm loving music. I'm traveling from Jamaica to across the world to learn about the music, the culture, and the heritage of that specific country that I'm reacting to. Okay, my people, so with that being said, let's react to Mon Amour by these two great artists from Israel. Peace.
Mon amour, dis-moi à quoi tu penses. C'est tout ça, désolé si je te dérange. Mon amour, tu souviens-tu de nous, du premier rendez-vous? C'était beau, c'était fou. Je t'aime, je sais pas pourquoi. Je rejoue la scène, mais c'est toujours la même fin qui recommence. Tu n'entends pas ma peine. On en fait quoi? Est-ce que tu m'aimes ou pas? Mon amour, je ferai tout ce que je peux en m'enserrant dans le feu. L'impossible, tu le veux. Oh, mon amour, allez, reviens à Paris. Fais-le pour nous, je t'en supplie. Je me promets, j'ai compris.
Wow, that was impressive. I mean, like, her voice is ravishingly impressive. Bro, you know, when people comes about with their talent, especially with singing, all right, they just do it effortlessly. All right, and she's just making dominance in that stage, bro. She's making dominance on that stage. Each judge have to grade her the full marks. Bear this in mind, she's a woman, right? And we have a lot of good singers out there who are women. But guess what? You see, everyone in their own likeness and image displays something different from the next. Alright? So when we hear people like this come on stage and singing like that, bro, it moves your heart. It saturates your heart in something, you know, beautiful. Alright? It engulfs your soul into something extremely amazing. Because what she has done there, bro, I have to just shed a tear because her singing is so touching. Her aura is so touching. Her presence while singing is so touching. Alright, so we have to applaud these people out there who are making such great vibe while singing. Well done, Yuval. Well done. That was something very good. As a person from Israel, I do love all the Israelites out there. You people are very talented, and as a Jamaican, I have to applaud you. Touching music. Touching music. That singing was extremely important. Alright, so we have to support her. She's also from a country where a lot of y'all will support this guy. Right? Noam Bettan. Alright, so let's hear his side while singing the same track. Then I will leave my comments, and after I finish my commentaries, you guys can leave your thoughts in the comment of both artists who have performed the same track. Okay, so let's go, guys.
Mon amour, dis-moi à quoi tu penses, si tout ça a un sens. Désolé si je te dérange. Mon amour, te souviens-tu de nous, du premier rendez-vous? C'était beau, c'était fou. Je t'aime, je sais pas pourquoi. Je rejoue la scène, mais c'est toujours la même fin qui recommence. Tu n'entends pas ma peine. On en fait quoi? Est-ce que tu m'aimes ou pas? Mon amour, je ferai tout ce que je peux. Un océan dans le feu, impossible si tu le veux. Oh mon amour, allez reviens à Paris. Fais-le pour nous, je t'en supplie. Je le promets, j'ai compris. Je t'aime, je sais pas pourquoi. Je joue la scène, mais c'est toujours la même fin qui recommence. Tu n'entends pas ma peine. On en fait quoi? Est-ce que tu m'aimes ou pas? Dis-moi l'endroit, je t'attendrai. Si tu viens pas, je t'attendrai. C'est bête, je sais, je le ferai. Rempli d'espoir, je t'attendrai. Je t'aime, je sais pas pourquoi. Je joue la scène, mais c'est toujours la même fin qui recommence. Tu n'entends pas ma peine. On en fait quoi? Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Est-ce que tu m'aimes? Est-ce que tu m'aimes pas?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro. You see, just because the man's voice is more raspier and the woman's voice is more softer, more gentler, you have to just recognize the pitch and how high and how low they go. But bro, I am literally feeling good. You know, I'm impressed by how the man just do it. Man just dominated it, bro. Both of them dominated it. But you know what Noam did is something a lot of people cannot do, right? To hold his voice with that specific note, right? To hold his breath so long, right? With the raspiness in his voice. It doesn't come that easy. It's not easily maneuver with that type of singing, then fall back in line to catch a breath, then just keep on going further, right? And even more better than the first note you pulled, bro. That is not nothing easy to catch. So for a man like this, right, in Israel, right, dominating, doing such great work, right, he deserves to win the Eurovision contest in 2026 here, bro. Because what? What he has done is not nothing easy. What Yuval Raphael did do is not nothing easy. And for these both Israelites to come together to perform the same song, right, with different notes, with different body structures, with different mindset, and they nailed it, this says a lot. This says a lot. For the man, bro, he killed it. For the woman, she killed it as well. They both nailed it. Right? So let us put some respect on these person's name, right? Because they have done something beautifully, and the people of Israel should be proud, bro. I'm proud as a Jamaican. I'm proud because, you know, who wouldn't proud of such great achievement in music? Like, bro, come on. Who wouldn't proud of such great artists in music, bro? I'd have been proud too. As a Jamaican, bro, so you should be proud of your own people and citizens who are in your country. You should be proud of them, bro. They are doing something great. They are making the country nice, right? So, well done, bro. Well done. A 10 out of 10 for me, for the man, and a solid 10 out of 10 for me, for the woman. They both did well. With that track, bro, they both did well. So let me know what you guys think in the comments about these two. I'll be reading, I'll be responding. So just take it there. Leave your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or about me, the Jamaican rock. I'll see you later.